Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikole Gonsalves, and today I am sharing with you guys a bunch of stuff that I recently picked up from Target. Matt and I went to Target this past weekend and we were in the States to pick up some other things, and then I wanted to get some jars from Target to put in our new, we have this new bookshelf slash pantry thing in the dining room. It was actually a recycled piece of furniture. It was my mom's, and then my stepdad painted it white. So, you know, hashtag recycle. And now I want to do an open pantry style with baskets and jars and stuff. So that's what I went to Target for. But just like when you go to Costco for one thing, you come back with a million things. That's what happened at Target. And I'm gonna share with you guys everything we got. As you know, we've only been in our new house for a few months, so we're still looking to put things up on the wall and things on shelves and decorate. So we picked up a bunch of things because I love Target. It's like a cheaper alternative for West Elm slash Crate and Barrel. You always find really cute things, and I always get inspired to decorate. And I'm gonna share with you guys what we got. We got some really cute stuff, so get ready. First off, before I hop in, I wanted to give a shout out to my cookbook that is available for pre-order right now. The HealthNut cookbook that has over 100 recipes to energize your day, and honestly, there's a recipe here for everyone. And if you guys didn't know, we were doing some really fun monthly giveaways. And this month we are doing a giveaway with Sage Wellness for their Deluxe Ohm Stone Diffuser, some oils, as well as their pharmacy kit. I'll put some B-roll here so you guys can see it. Some of my favorites. You guys can check out the link down below for more information on how to enter. Pick up a copy of the book. You'll get bonus entries as well as 20% off to the HealthNut shop. So lots of reasons to get your book early. Plus, there's so many deals going on, discounts on the cookbook when you pre-order. So I will let you guys know if there's any going on down below as well as on the screen. But yeah, get yourself a copy, guys. You guys are gonna love it. I'm so excited. We're almost a month away from the actual release date. So get your copy, and I know you guys are gonna love it. All right, let's get into the haul part of this video. By the way, if you guys like these hauls, I've done a previous one before, which I will link in the top right-hand corner. They're a lot of fun, and you guys seem to really enjoy them. So I'm gonna start with, I bought a lot of trays. I don't know, I just have a lot of surfaces I need to put things onto. So I got some trays. I got this really cute kind of, I guess stamped or distressed gold tray. This is, a lot of the stuff I get is from the line Threshold. I really like that line from Target. And this is kind of like a catch-all. I think I'm gonna put this on it's technically not a buffet, it's like a media console, but we have it underneath a window in kind of the entryway. So I think it's gonna be really cute there, just to put mail, keys, just a catch-all. Really, it makes random things look nice when they have a little spot for them. When you come home and you're just throwing everything down on the counter, you can throw them on this instead. Next up, we have this really cute, kind of a dark green, I don't even know what, another tray dish. And this actually reminds me of something my grandma has. And even when my mom saw this, because I obviously showed her everything I got from Target, she knew right away. I was like, you know what this reminds me of? And she was like, oh, Vava's my Vava has this green cabbage, I don't know, like a dishware set thing. And it really reminds me of that. I thought maybe it was made in Portugal, but it's not. And it's just so cute. This was on clearance for $12.50. And I don't know, we could put it on the table. I thought it could also go on the dresser, in our new dresser in our bedroom. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to find a cute spot for it. I really liked it, and like I said, it reminds me of something my grandma has, so I had to get it. All right, the final tray, because I got 3, because they're so cute, and because we don't go to Target that often, I feel like I just have to stock up. So this is a little kind of wicker basket. I'm really into wicker baskets. We have a lot going on right now. You'll see in this video, there's a wicker theme. And you know, it's back in, it's trendy. You mix it with modern stuff, it looks really good. And this is just a really cute, it's kind of a little breakfast tray. I don't know, I could put it on the coffee table. I could put it on our buffet in the dining room table, I don't really know, but it's, you know, I'm gonna find a spot. It's really cute. I could just put it on the bed. When Matt serves me breakfast in bed, he can bring it on this. Yeah, that won't happen. But it's really cute, and I'll find a spot for it. All right, next we have some things that are gonna go up on the walls because we don't have that much stuff on the walls yet, and we're not looking to paint. I really like the color that the house came with, so now it's just really about putting some stuff up on the wall, and we've been slowly adding things like the shelves, the hexagon, are these hexagon? Octagon shelves behind me. We put those up a little while ago, so we're getting there. So this here is a wall decor mail holder. I mean, I don't know, Matt's like, how often do we just have mail like that we need to put in this? I don't know, but it's really cute, and he agreed it's pretty damn cute. So I figure like there are times when we go to the mailbox and like maybe we don't sort through the mail right away. We can just put it in here. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute. And like the whole like gold metallic is like a theme that we have here in the house. It's like popping up here. I'm looking for some. There's some going on here. So, oh yeah, there's that guy there, there's that one. So it kind of like ties in the theme of the house together. So I think this is gonna go in the entryway. Oop, it's broken. Yeah, I think in the entryway would be a good spot. Now we have some artworks. Now, I don't think we have a piece of artwork up in the house yet. No, we definitely do not. And the theme I'm going for this house is very like nature, calm, like with a pop of color, basically. So I really liked these little artwork pieces here, just some wall art. This one here is just like a leaf, looks kind of like a fern. I thought it was really cute. And then I also got this other one that kind of reminds me of like a sage leaf. I really like it. I don't know if it's upside down, right? I think it's upside down. But I don't know where I'm gonna put these yet, but they're really cute, and I love like that the frames are different woods, and it just like goes with the theme of the house. So you can get some really affordable pieces of artwork from Target, and because they can get expensive, especially if you're doing your own and you want to buy a frame, it gets expensive. So I love that these are just like ready to go, put them on the wall. The hardest part is just finding a spot for them to go. Okay, this next piece is so cute. Even Matt was like, oh, that's really cute. We could use that in photos and stuff. So this is a letter board, and it's a wooden one. I love wood. Like wood and natural textures and tones just make me very happy. And this one has like white letters here, and you can put little messages on it. It says rise and shine. I thought this would be cute to even have in the bathroom on the wall across from the toilet, and just put like fun sayings as if you're peeing, you're doing your business. You can be like, oh yeah, that's a nice quote. Like, I don't know, that's what I thought. But, or it could be in the front entryway to be like, welcome to the HealthNut home. I don't know yet, but these are things that cross my mind when I'm shopping. So I thought either one of those ideas would be cute. Next up, we have a shoe rack. If you go downstairs right now in the entryway, there are so many shoes. I didn't even know I owned that many shoes, but there's a lot, and we need somewhere to organize them. So I saw this shoe rack, quite heavy. Matt's gonna build it for me. And this is just like a 4-tier shoe rack. The top is wood, and then it just has like a gray steel bottom, and I really like it. I think it has that like industrial look, which is also something that we're adding to the house. Wasn't on purpose, just a lot of things we bought from West Elm have like an industrial kind of style, and I really like it. So this is gonna go, I think, in the front entryway. Eventually we want like a piece with like hooks and a bench for the front, but for now this will go there, and then when we find something else we'll move this downstairs. But I like that it has 4 shelves because we can hopefully fit most of our shoes on it, at least the summer ones. Some other decor items that we got, just like little knickknacks that I can put on shelves and stuff. These are things that you don't think of, and then you look at like decor magazines or on TV when they're decorating, and you're like, wow, the space just comes together really nicely. It's because of these finishing touches. So I got this really cute little wooden succulent plant thing. It's fake, so you don't have to worry about it dying. And then I also got, what is this thing called? A plant mister. Matt already put water in it. He had a lot of fun with it, but it's just a little decor thing. These at like Anthropologie are Anthropologie or Urban Outfitters are way more expensive. I forget how much this was exactly, but it was not Anthropologie prices. So it's really cute. Once again, it's a cute decor item, but also it's functional. Like I was at my plants the other day and I was like, and they loved it. So it's good for the whole family. Now for what I actually went into Target for was some jars for our new open pantry in the dining room. So these they only had a few left. They had 2 of this size and 2 of this size. So I actually just thought, okay, I'll just grab them so I can at least bring them home and kind of measure them in my shelf and see like, is this the right size? How many can I fit across? And I realized I want the higher ones. I'll still use these, but I figure I'll do like a couple of different sizes and maybe just order them online because they didn't have very many in store. So I love these ones. They're airtight, so they're good for storing, you know, dried foods in them. And I think they're just so cute. They have the wooden lids with the glass bottom, and you can see what's in them. You can label them. It's gonna look really cute. So I'll have to film when I finish the pantry, and it's just, I have a vision for it and I think it's gonna look really cute. So I'm excited to get that done. All right, so then for the other shelves in the pantry, I wanted baskets. So I bought a few different baskets. So actually this size is not really for the pantry. That was just an extra one that we might put somewhere else. But I got this size here, which is gonna be for one shelf. I got 2 of them. And then I also got this size, which is gonna be for the bottom. And they're just gonna be like nice little baskets. They look pretty, but you can also hide a bunch of stuff in them. So I did this kind of style in our last place in our pantry as well. It had doors though, so you could close it. But I really like adding the mixture of the glass, the wood, and then the baskets. I think it ties really well in the bookshelf itself. I keep calling it a bookshelf because it used to be a bookshelf, but now it's a pantry. The pantry itself is painted white, so I think these are really gonna stand out and just kind of like tie everything together. So this was just something I randomly found because I need more mugs, obviously. Like, I don't even know where this one's gonna go because there's no room in my cupboards for the mugs. But I like this one because it has a handle, and when I'm walking Cashew in the morning and I wanna have my herbal coffee at the same time, I only have the ones that just like you hold with one hand. And it's hard because like, I don't know, if you're a dog owner, you know, like it's easier to have something you can hold like this. And this one is leak proof and I loved it. Like the design is really cute. It has like it's like a little spotted ceramic one, has a wooden bamboo base, and the top makes it really easy to clean. I like to-go mugs that are like traveler mugs that are ceramic. I think it's nicer to drink out of. So you can drink it at home like this, or if you're going out, there's this little insert and it's airtight, and yeah, it's just easier to clean too. So this is really cute. I could even use this for camping. I like it. I will link it down below as well as everything else. And I just thought it was so me and I had to get it for our walks, of course. So moving on to bathroom items, I picked up a few extra things for the downstairs bathroom. So we have 2 bathrooms in this house. The upstairs bathroom is kind of like the spa bathroom. It's very white and lots of blue in there, and it's very, yeah, like a spa. And then downstairs is the more earthy tones. There's like greens and wood accents and wicker, because I love wicker. So I needed a couple more items. So I picked up some hand towels. I really liked this sage green hand towel. I have this in 2 other colors that I rotate upstairs. I like for regular bath towels, I just get white, because they're easier to clean, like hot water, vinegar, they're good to go. But for hand towels, I like to have fun with color. So I have just like different sets of colors that I just switch out when I'm doing laundry. So this one's really cute. I got 2 of these. And then I also got downstairs, there's like 2 racks that you can also hang some hand towels. And I thought this one here was really cute because it has a little hanger here. So I got 2 of these, and they're just like a light gray because the shower curtain downstairs is like a, yeah, it's like a medium gray. So I thought this would be cute. So I just got some options because I can still use those green ones for upstairs. And then this rug I picked up, I only saw one of them and it was on clearance because there was a stain on it, which I got out. I was like, oh, I can totally get that out. So it's really cute. It's once again like a sagey green, and I like the bath mats that are a bit rubbery on the bottom so they actually stick to the floor and they don't slide around. It's things that you learn as you decorate your house. I hate like bathroom mats that don't have, like you can get those liners that go underneath your rug so they don't slip, but I don't like to have those in the bathroom. And this one's really cute. So this one I think was on sale for like $10. Yeah, there was like a little something, there was like a, I don't know, some gum, or not gum, but something was on it and I just cut it off. So it was just a surface stain and it came out with no problem. Last but not least, I got some more just like face towels in white. I really like these ones. I have quite a few of them right now. I have a little basket in the linen closet that I'll just have them rolled up, and I use them basically every morning and night to either wash or dry my face. And I just like using a clean cloth, and that way you can wash these. You're not using, like, I know some people use like paper towel to dry their face so they're not like putting bacteria on their face, but this is like way more eco-friendly. You can just wash and reuse it, and I like them. So I just stocked up. They were like $2.50, super cheap, and they're just good to have on hand or on your face. Also, I didn't want to go pull it out because it's quite heavy. We did buy a hamper for our master bedroom finally. We haven't had one, so we've just had like an open basket, and Cashew goes in there all the time to like just grab socks when she can. It's really annoying. So we got a hamper, and it's really nice. It's a large wicker one, and it just has like a flap that opens. And what I like about it is that there's a divider in it. So we have like his and hers, And I think the inserts, you can just kind of take them out. It's like a bag inside each one. So they're really easy to bring down with you to go do your laundry and even wash the liners, which I like. So that was a really good buy, and it's just something we've been looking for quite a while now, and I found the perfect one and I love it. It almost makes me want to do laundry. Almost, but not quite. So next up we have some fashion items. I wasn't really looking for clothes at Target, and I just saw a couple things that kind of caught my eye and I thought I would get them for the summertime. So this first one is what I think is a beach cover-up. I'm not really sure. I've never actually owned a beach cover-up, and I thought this was so cute. I'll have to put it on so you guys can see. It's just like a little white bohemian kind of cover up that you could have over top of your bathing suit, or like you could probably wear this with some shorts and just tuck the front in, I don't know, or like a tunic, but I definitely got this for a beach cover up. So I'll show you guys what these look like on, and then to wear under it. I also was not looking for more bathing suits, but I just saw this really cute one-piece black bathing suit that has like a little crochet front here, and it was really cute. So I actually didn't try these on, so it was a bit of a gamble when I got home. Luckily they fit, and what did I get? I think I got a size small in this one. Size small in this one, and then, because I know sometimes people ask, a small in this one. Usually small, I don't like things too tight, so usually small is a good bet. And yeah, this was really cute, just a little one piece. And then I've been wanting a get ready with, what is it called? Like a getting ready robe, I guess is what it's called. But I also think this would be cute as a beach cover up. But this was just randomly on like a put away rack in the change room, and that I was like walking by, and it's so cute. I'm not like doing it justice. We'll try this on. But it's just like a really cute floral robe. It's so like, it's very light, and it's not silk, but it kind of has that look. And I think this will be really nice, like if I'm just doing my makeup in the bathroom, getting ready. I just want something on that's not clothes, but like it's not a bra and underwear. This is really cute, and I think it would be really cute as a cover up over a bathing suit as well, if you're like by the beach or by the pool. And then another random thing I found was this really cute little wallet. It's like faux leather. I don't know, it's pretty cute. It has little spots for like coins and money and cards, and it's just like a really thin wallet. This is really good for putting into like a small crossbody bag, or just even in your pocket. This guy is so small. Chloe even likes it. She's like, why didn't you get me one? I didn't know. She's very picky. I never know what to get her if I'm out, but I like it. I like the color. It's kind of like a burnt red. And yeah, that's everything I got for fashion items. All right guys, that was it. That was everything that we picked up from Target. It was a lot of stuff, but when you're in a new house, there's like always a corner or like a surface that you seem to need something for. So hopefully this stuff will kind of help bring our house more to life and make it feel more homey and cozy and not look like we just moved in. So I would love to know if you guys want to suggest anything that we should get for our new place. Leave a comment down below. Also, what was your favorite item that I featured in today's video? Do you guys like these hauls? I find them really helpful for when I'm doing decoration and stuff in my own house. I like to watch these. So let me know, leave me a comment down below if you like these. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I post here every single week. Click that red subscribe button down below. New free videos every week. And I had so much fun hanging out with you guys. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next one. Time to put this all away and hang it on the wall.